More snow expected this weekend. Be careful if you have to be out there on the road. There are plenty of ways to stay safe while driving, but Alex Littlehales digs into a new Virginia bill that, if passed, would force drivers to up their safety measures in the snow.
For how infrequently snow falls here in the Tidewater, drivers don't necessarily need to be winter driving experts. But one Hampton Roads lawmaker does want to make roads safer for the few times when it does.
No one's trying to put somebody in bankruptcy or charge someone with a criminal offense. This is really about encouraging people to be good stewards of the road.
Peninsula Delegate Michael Mullen wants people to stop driving snow-covered cars. More than a dozen states already have some kind of law or regulation in place for addressing the issue. Clearing snow from your roof, hood, and car windows is a common safety tip to avoid blinding other drivers as well as yourself on the road. But it's not technically law in Virginia. Under House Bill 1183, Virginia drivers could face a $100 fine if stopped by law enforcement. Delegate Mullen says for an issue he believes is nonpartisan, there has been some pushback from certain drivers.
Mostly come from commercial truck drivers who have expressed the fact that it would be very expensive to have to put brooms on the tops of highway way stations.
But he says it's a common sense safety measure, whether you live in Virginia's more mountainous or coastal areas.
And there are huge swaths of Virginia that have a great deal of snow most of the winter months.
This bill would exclude emergency vehicles from paying that fine. In Norfolk, I'm Alex Littlehales for 13 News Now.
And the bill is on its way to the state's Transportation Committee for a full vote.